This is violation of the international law. It is violation of United Nations Charter. It is violation of non-proliferation treaty, and in fact, it is also a violation of United States Constitution. Without the congressional permission, President Trump has went ahead and bombed Iran's 3 nuclear sites. So this is violation of all these 4 points, and one must also remember that by doing this, I am sure definitely Iran will have will become a nuclear weapon state in next 5-10 years. You will not be able to stop them, and we don't know whether before this bombing Iran might have also shifted that stockpile. But this will not be a deterrence, because if Iran is a member of IAEA, it has signed NPT. IAEA inspectors have gone over there, and the IAEA report is very clear. Iran was not making nuclear bombs over there, but this will not be a deterrence. In fact, I feel that there will be many Arab and Muslim countries who will feel that they will also have to have a nuclear technology or a nuclear bomb, so that it will be a deterrence against any future Israeli attacks against them. And one must also remember that there are more than 60 million Indians living in the Gulf or Middle East. And if that area erupts in a war, which unfortunately the likelihood looks like that, then it will have a grave impact on the Indians living over there. The investments which Indian companies have made in all these Arab countries or Gulf countries, and a substantial amount of foreign exchange comes from this area. And lastly, this boogie has been created about Iran having nuclear weapons or this and that. The same thing was used in Iraq, weapons of mass destruction. Nothing came out. Same thing was used in Libya.